Is Bitcoin crashing? Well, that's what I hear a lot of. I see a lot on YouTube. Everyone says Bitcoin is crashing. And why is Bitcoin stuck? Why is it going down? Everybody concerned for this lower movement that we're seeing in Bitcoin. Well, we'll have a look at the charts and see if we can make any sense out of this recent move from Bitcoin. But, you know, when you're looking at the charts, you just need to remember that nothing goes up forever. Bitcoin made a really big move up to about 49,000, but nothing goes up forever and nothing goes down forever. It doesn't matter whether you're looking at currencies or commodities or crypto or stock CFDs. Nothing goes up forever, nothing goes down forever. So here's the chart, and this is the daily chart for Bitcoin. And as you can see with the two arrows I have there, we had a range between about 38,000 and 40,000. And it was a range there for a while where we saw a new structure being made, a new consolidation, and then it started to move up, and we even got to a high of 49,000. And was this a case of where you know, we knew the ETFs were coming out, everybody got really excited about the approval from the SEC, the expected approval from the SEC, and it moved above these support zones up to 49,000. Well, if you see the trend line there, okay, just follow that up steady, but then we got a break below the trend line after the SEC approval for the Bitcoin ETFs, and now we've started to move down, and everybody is panicking. A lot of people freaking out, don't understand why is Bitcoin dropping, why is it crashing, we had such good news. Well, the fact of the matter is the charts tell us what's going on, and if you're a technical analyst, you understand charts, that everything, whether it's crypto or currencies or commodities or stock CFDs, everything just moves from one level to the next level. It moves up from one level to the next level. It moves down from one level to the next level. That's just what they do. So from the charts we can see this expected move once we broke below that trend line was 38,000. And that is exactly where we went, to that 38,000 and change. All right, so we probably, what I'm expecting is in the next few days, maybe even a couple of weeks, we will see a consolidation there, a formation of a new structure at that support level, 38,000. However, if we should break below that, then we're likely to go to the next level, which is what everything does. All right, if we break below that support level at around 38,000, then the next level will be 35,000. Okay, so it's expected. All right, you can adequately analyze the movements from the charts. You just have to be patient. Now, if we go down to 35,000, that 35,000 zone where it was a very strong support previously back in October, if we break below that, the next level, the next major level is 30,000. And that was a very, very, very strong support level. It was resistance. It has become support now. It was a very strong resistance level for a long time during the crypto winter. And so that will be our next level. If we should break below 35,000, the next level will be around 30,000. But right now we're just consolidating at the 38,000 zone. So what does that mean if you're an investor in Bitcoin? Well, remember we had this news about the ETFs, the Bitcoin ETFs that were approved by the SEC, and now anyone can buy Bitcoin on the New York Stock Exchange. But what was probably happening, and what did happen already, was that people just buy the news. We knew that this approval was coming out. It was expected, and so people were just buying the news. All right, and once that was done, all right, you could say the price was built in. All right, so that's why we reached 49,000, and now we're making a new structure and just making a retrace, a correction, a pullback, whatever you want to call it, which is very, very normal in trading. All right, so people were buying the news. So if you are an investor in Bitcoin and you want to build a crypto asset for your future, what I do is I invest by DCA. DCA is just dollar cost averaging. I don't even look at the price. Okay, I just buy once a week, a little bit of money that I have. I don't mind if I lose it. Okay, I just buy once a week, not even looking at the price. So some people buy at 35,000, some people will buy at 30,000, some people will buy at 40,000. When Bitcoin reaches 100,000, people will still be buying. When Bitcoin reaches 1 million, people will still be buying. All right, so if you want to build for the future, just invest by DCA, dollar cost averaging, and slowly grow your account. And whether you're using an exchange, Trust Wallet, Zingo, MetaMask, the ones I talked about last week, it doesn't matter. You can buy Bitcoin on any of these exchange wallets. But just remember that these wallets are not self-custody. All right, if you start to accumulate a fair amount that you would like to protect, you need to go for self-custody. And as I talked about last week, self-custody is a crypto cold wallet that you are the only one that has access to. You are the only one that can access your crypto on the blockchain. So you need a crypto cold wallet, totally protected. You are your own bank. And the one that I recommend is, if you watch the video that I showed you last week, the Tangem Wallet, all right, which is the latest and greatest state-of-the-art cold wallet. And if you want to buy that, you can use the link below here and get a 10% discount. If you want more information about hot wallets and cold wallets, just be sure and look at that video that I made last week, Is Crypto For You? Just go to my channel, you'll see the video there in the Bitcoin, in the crypto playlist. All right, and watch that video. I explain more detail about hot wallets and cold wallets. All right, thank you for being here for this brief analysis, which I will start doing every midweek. Okay, Wednesday or Thursday, I'll be releasing these videos on crypto. If you have any comments or questions about getting into Bitcoin, about investing in Bitcoin, or what's going on with Bitcoin, just be sure and subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I make one of these videos. But for more information about crypto, you really are a beginner and you want to know exactly how everything works, I highly recommend that you follow Crypto Casey. She is the most foremost authority on crypto, on wallets, on everything about crypto. I've been following her for several years. She is fantastic. So I'll put the link to her channel below this video, and I highly recommend that you go and check her out. Okay, that's it for me, guys. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you again next time.